Hey there, fellow travelers and wanderlust enthusiasts. Welcome back to Connolly Cove. Today, we're taking you on a captivating journey through one of Europe's most iconic and charming spots, Nyhavn in Copenhagen, Denmark. Nyhavn is a place that truly encapsulates the essence of Copenhagen, vibrant, historic, and teeming with a rich maritime heritage. Let's dive right into it, shall we? First, a bit of history. Nyhavn, which means new harbor, dates back to the late 17th century when it was dug by hand. Originally, it served as a bustling commercial port, and the colorful buildings you see today were constructed to house sailors, merchants, and warehouses. But as you can see, Nyhavn has transformed into a lively, bustling waterfront district. The old warehouses now house charming restaurants, cafes, and bars, making it the perfect spot for a leisurely stroll, a tasty meal, or a boat ride along the picturesque canals. Now, one of the best ways to experience Nyhavn is by hopping on a canal boat tour. These tours offer a unique perspective of the city and provide fantastic photo opportunities, especially when you pass by the colorful buildings. Keep an eye out for street performers and artists who bring this area to life with their talents. You never know when you'll stumble upon a captivating